Hey there adventurers! Welcome back again to my channel. Ako po si Junis and today I've got something truly incredible for you guys. Are you ready? Yes! Are you ready to learn how to travel for free? That's right, free! Libre! Ano saan ka pa? So stick with me as I share the ultimate guide to saving money on your next travel adventure. You won't want to miss these amazing tips and tricks hanggang sa katapusan ng video. So guys, stick around. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to know kung paano mag-travel ng libre is the art of travel hacking. Narinig mo na ba to? It's all about maximizing credit card rewards para makakuha ka ng airline miles and hotel points to get free flights, accommodation, and much more. Kung bago sa pandinig mo tong travel hacking, here's a quick rundown kung paano. First, sign up for travel reward credit cards. Second, meet the minimum spending requirements para makuha mo ang points. Third, earn mo yung points na kuha mo sa spending mo. Fourth, redeem your free flights, hotels, and more. Since malakas kayo sa akin, here's the list of the top 5 travel reward credit cards here in the Philippines na pwede mo ma-applyan to get some free miles. First, City Premier Miles Visa Card. BPI Sky Miles Platinum Mastercard. HSBC Platinum Visa. Metrobank World Mastercard. East West Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer Platinum Mastercard. Moving on, another amazing way to travel for free is by volunteering or joining work exchange programs. Merong mga organizations katulad ng Workaway, WWOOF, and HelpX. Connect travelers like you with hosts who need help around the world. So in exchange for a few hours of work each day, you'll get free accommodation and sometimes even meals. Wow!
Wow!
It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself sa local culture, learn new skills, and make lasting memories. Plus, you're making a positive impact sa community na bibisitahin mo. So talagang win-win siya. May libre ka ng flight, may libre ka pang food, saan ka pa? Now, imagine this. You're staying in a beautiful home for free while exploring a new destination. Parang panaginip, diba? Well, it's totally possible with house and pet sitting. Websites like Trusted House Sitters and Nomador, connecting homeowners with responsible travelers who will take care of their homes and pets while they're away. So it's a fantastic way talaga to enjoy free accommodation and make some furry friends in the process. And who doesn't love cuddling with cute pets, diba? After a day of long exploring. Wow, so relaxing.
Wow!
And higit sa lahat, libre. So what can you ask for pa, diba? There you have it guys. My ultimate guide for traveling for free. Follow mo lang mga tips na to. And I'm sure you'll find your way to saving money sa susunod mong travel adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button para sa mga susunod kong tips and tricks for travel adventures. And as always, happy travels! See you sa next video!